G'day CNC Warriors, welcome to the tech center of Iscar Plus in Auckland, New Zealand. This, my friends, is the LOGIQ F Grip from Iscar with no vibration. This is the shiz when it comes to parting. This rigid holder along with the quad blade is what's going to guarantee that vibration-free parting. So let's take a closer look, shall we? The unique design of the holder is where the rigidity comes from. The deep pocket, the strengthening weight, and all the contact points make sure there's no vibration in the system at all.
Oh yeah.
And now, when it comes to the blade, it features quad pockets that's rigidly clamped into the holder, and it features internal coolant. This is Iscar, where we have no time for downtime.